100 days ago, I started making YouTube shorts for one of my clients with 10,000 subscribers. 100 days later, he has over 130,000 subscribers and is generating around $500,000 per month. I've worked as a shorts editor for people like the Cheeky Boyos, even doing some videos with Airac and Young Gravy. This video is a complete guide to what I've learned about short form content in the last couple of years. I'm on a mission to take 1,000 channels to over 100,000 subscribers, and shorts are one of the fastest ways to do that. So sit back, take out a pen and paper, and let's dive right in. The first lesson is the most important, and it's why 97% of creators fail at short form. Most people start making shorts and they feel motivated. Oh, I can crank out 1, 2, 3 shorts per day. But after a week or so of going hard, they end up missing a day. And then they do that again and again until they write off shorts as saturated. It's so easy to tell ourselves that we're gonna go hard for the next 100 days. But from my experience, I often look back a couple months later and then think, what the hell happened? Why am I still in the same place? But there is one solution that will guarantee that you stay consistent. We are going to draft up a physical contract with ourselves that says we are going to post one short form piece of content per day. Having a physical document that you've printed out is a powerful motivator to stay consistent. I've already gone ahead and written you guys a contract that you can print out and sign and then hang up on your wall to see every single day. Now that you have that contract to post one a day signed, here's why you shouldn't post just one video a day. One is the bare minimum. Volume is the single most important factor when starting out a YouTube channel because you're not sure which style of content will do well. And the best way to learn about what content will go viral is to post a lot of it. After 100 days, your channel could have 100 videos, 200 videos, or 300 videos. And I can pretty much guarantee you that a page with 1,000 pieces of short form content on it will have more subscribers than the one with 100. It all really comes down to how many you can handle posting. Currently, each of my clients are posting 3 to 5 videos every single day. One dedicated talking head video and 2 podcast clips. That way you have one piece of like high value, high production content, and then a couple of videos that are more filler content. Interviews are a cheat code because you can ask questions that are meant to go viral.
How much is enough money? I don't know how much you're worth. I don't know if you feel that. Guess.
Also, I'll let you in on a little secret. Half of the podcast clips that you see online are actually a fake podcast. A lot of the times, it's just one person. But there are many styles of content. It's extremely important to test out all of them to see which kind resonates the best with your audience. Some of our best performing shorts were done without any fancy editing, colorful captions, or hype music. Short form audiences can also be captured by less effects and higher value. So especially if you're in the education niche, it's great to mix high quality content with really raw but high value content. However, if you're in the entertainment space, it's a lot better to make the shorts high speed, fast paced, fast music, and colorful text. For example, here's part of a short that I edited for the Cheeky Boyos and Airac. As you can see, this has tons of effects because it's targeted towards Gen Z, and they have an attention span of a fish. Some of our most viral shorts were because of trends. But the crazy thing is, most people hop onto them too late, but there's a little known way to identify trends before they go viral. All trends start on TikTok. So it's absolutely essential that as a shorts creator, you are diving down the rabbit holes of your niche. For example, we all know AI is dead. But when it first started, we caught on early through TikTok and made an ad for one of our clients. This video went on to get millions of views. This one short took my client's Instagram from around 1,000 followers to over 30,000. Huge trends don't come around often, but when they do, it's extremely important to capitalize on them, or else you might get stuck in the 9 to 5. But what actually makes a short go viral? Well, besides hitting a 90% AVD, 90% of what matters is the hook. So what we do, which is a little known strategy, is actually coming up with 10 to 20 hooks for every single short form video. It sounds like a lot of work, but I can almost guarantee you that doing this will 10x your audience size. And if you really want to go viral, you need to hit on some sort of curiosity or emotion. The difference between how Mr. Beast went viral on YouTube and Mr. Beast went viral after learning this one secret is very different. One is something that people have heard thousands of times and the other is new. This makes them feel like they're missing a piece of valuable information. Most people are just scrolling, and don't even stop unless the first second of a video captures their attention. One thing we like to do is literally this. Stop scrolling, and then start the video. Try it and see how it does for you. Sure, you can go viral with some stupid reels, but if you want to maximize your chances of getting consistent millions of views, there is one secret that not many people catch on to. Look at all these reels. They have one thing in common: emotion. Humans naturally connect with emotion, and being able to strike a chord of passion, empathy, or anger will keep them sticking around, especially if you're in the motivation niche.
Sometimes your girlfriend or boyfriend breaks up with you.
To motivate, you need to dig deep. I mean, look at people like David Goggins, Andy Elliott, or Steve Harvey. Most of the reels that go viral for them are some of their most passionate moments. Accessing this part of yourself is extremely difficult, but there's one thing that I've learned that has helped me, and that is to talk about one of your most painful experiences. I mean, you can't fake this stuff. And instead of focusing on engagement, Truly feel what you are saying and pretend the camera is your best friend. The last, but also one of the most important, is to actually have a reason to make the short. That can also be monetary. If you're just doing this for money, that's a completely valid reason. But try to tell a story. If you can fit an entire hero's journey into 60 seconds, you will eventually go viral. Let's take a look at one of Mr. Beast's shorts. Would you fly to Paris for a baguette? In this video, Jimmy starts off needing a baguette. It transitions into the main character going to Paris, searching for a baguette and finding it. Then he takes the baguette on the plane to return to Mr. Beast with a new experience. That is a textbook hero's journey. And if you can replicate that structure into your videos, you will eventually go viral. Short form is a numbers game where not every video is going to go viral. I mean, even the top creators on the platform, some of their shorts just bomb. But what you can do is use math to calculate the percentage of your shorts that go viral. Maybe 1 out of 100 cross 1 million views, 1 out of 10 cross 100K. So if you posted 3 shorts per day for 100 days, you would roughly get 6 million views. Of course, this is not an exact science. This is literally what happened to us. We had a couple videos cross into multiple millions views instead of just millions. So we ended the 100 days at roughly 9 million views. Not bad for a new channel.